Okay, so I'm going to be doing the teacher and the student. So I've started my launch code and I'm going to put it in over here. As the student. And I'm going to say that my name is Brad. See, okay, great. All right, so this presentation first just about class, and then I want to get to know the picture of me and my husband. Recently we went to San Diego. So next, there we go. The next thing we're going to quiz. You probably don't know the answer about me. So this one is which of the following, and I've been to 6 since on there. I'm gonna choose this one, this one, and that one. We'll go there. Take your best guess. Was I raised? Then guess. We'll say it. Alright, so results here. It looks Brad got 1 out of the 2 you got correct. The other I went to, or the countries that if we'd like to go back to Iceland, Italy, Spain, and you can correct your answers there. So good job, Brad, in getting that. I was raised in California, though my husband. And my favorite movie, It's a Wonderful Life. Corrected you. All correct, very nice. Now I'm going to show you a clip. So for those of you who don't know, It's a Wonderful Life is often used as a Christmas movie. It is about a man who wishes he had never been born. This is kind of his life before this happened. So this is him and his future life dancing. And the floor is coming apart. There's a pool underneath. And so that's kind of what makes it fun. So there's a little bit about me. Now it's your turn. I want you to tell me a little bit about you. So first, I want you guys to draw a picture of your family. And part of this is just to help us get to know each other and help us to kind of navigate this NearPod thing. So go ahead and draw a picture. All right, great. Let's see here. All right, Brad has drawn his picture, a picture of him with his dad, so I'm going to share that with all of you. And there we go. Great picture. Sorry, my computer's struggling a little bit. All right. Next, I'm going to ask you guys an open-ended question. I want you guys to share with me some of your hobbies and interests. So go ahead and type your reply, and then we will look over those once you have. All right, let's see. Oops. Great. All right, Brad has shared his answer, so I'm going to share that with everyone. So Brad likes playing soccer, hiking, running, and video games. Awesome. Thanks so much, Brad. Next, I am going to have you guys do this interactive simulation just to kind of get an idea of how these things work with our presentation and with NearPod. So just choose whatever level and complete one of them, and then we will move forward from there. We'll try this again. Perfect. All right. Now you guys have had some time to experiment with that, so we will move on to our next section. So what we're going to do is do this collaboration board just to kind of talk about any questions you may have about me or about the class. So you can write whatever you want and then we'll answer them. All right, looks like we have one question, and it is from, so I'm going to answer that. It's from Brad, and Brad asked if I have any pets, and I don't, but when I was growing up, we had hermit crabs and fish, and my parents currently have 2 turtles. All right, thanks so much for participating, you guys. You can go ahead and exit, and we're all done with our presentation.